Are you still paying for thousands or waiting weeks to launch a website? What if you could build one today and automate your lead capture in just minutes? Small businesses lose valuable leads every month just because their site isn't ready. In fact, it could be up to 81%. But that doesn't have to be the case. Using AI website builders and a little Zapier magic, you don't have to be a part of that statistic. Let's take a look at the 4 best AI website builders. Wix uses AI to build a personalized website based on a few quick questions about your business and style. In just minutes, you'll have a full layout with images, text, and structure already in place. From there, you can fine-tune everything with an easy drag and drop editor. Jimdo makes setup simple with a guided flow powered by AI that asks you a few questions and then builds your site automatically. It's ideal for beginners or anyone who wants to get online fast without having to worry about design decisions. The end result is a clean, ready-to-go site in under an hour. Framer turns short text prompts into beautiful, responsive websites automatically. You describe what you want and it handles layout, design, and content generation instantly. It's perfect for anyone who wants a modern, professional-looking site without starting from scratch. CodeWP uses AI to generate clean, plugin-ready WordPress code by just describing what you need. Whether it's a custom function, layout, or site component, it writes the code for you. It's a major time saver for WordPress users who want more control without manual coding. Having a website that works smoothly is great, but what you do after that is where the magic comes in. With Zapier, you could take that website you just made and integrate it into your workflow. I'll show you how to create a Zap that will log your form submission into your Zapier table, notify your team via Slack, and add your lead to MailChimp as a subscriber. Let me show you how it works. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. I can create my Zap by clicking the Create button on the top left side of the screen. Our Zap will then pop up. To start building the Zap, we'll need to set up a trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. We'll want our Zap to be set up whenever our lead is logged in our website. So we can use our website of choice as our trigger. For this Zap, I'll use Wix. I'll type in Wix into the search bar and then select it on the drop-down menu. Our trigger screen will then pop up. I should select Forms as my trigger event and then can log into my Wix account. The first time we set up Wix, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If you click on the Account tab, a link will pop up for you to log into your Wix account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger apps data. Select the form you'd like to use as your trigger and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can start creating our first action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. For this Zap, we'll want to log our leads into a Zapier table that we've created. You'll want to type in Zapier Tables into the search bar and then select it on the drop-down menu. From there, you can select Create Record and then click Continue. We can then start to assign our trigger apps data into the Action Apps fields. I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Great! We can then start to set up our next action. For this Zap, we'll want to notify our team when a new lead is filled out. Click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen and then type in Slack into the search bar before selecting it on the drop-down menu. Select New Channel Message as your event and then log into your Slack account before clicking Continue. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the Action Apps fields one more time, selecting both text and drop-down menu items to customize our Zap. Great! Click Continue and then test the step one more time. Awesome! We've now set up our Slack. Last, we'll want to add our lead as a subscriber on MailChimp. So we'll select the plus button one more time and then type in MailChimp into the search bar before selecting it on the drop-down menu. Next, for your action event, select Add/Update Subscriber on the drop-down and then log into your MailChimp account before clicking Continue. You can then fill out your Action Apps fields one last time, using both text and drop-down menu items for full Zap customization. Great! Click Continue and test the step one last time. And there you have it, a complete workflow from edit to publish. We can use AI website builders such as Wix, Jimdo, Framer, and CodeWP, and then let Zapier handle the rest. And the best part? You can add your Zap directly onto your canvas to visualize your full website funnel. And if you want to skip this setup completely, you can grab the pre-built Zap template linked below and go live in just 3 clicks. How would you automate your first lead capture? Drop your ideas in the comments and subscribe for more tips on automation.